Welcome back, guys. I'm Ryan, and today we are in the tech room, your trusty companion for all things tech. Whether you're a tech enthusiast looking for the latest innovations, or a casual user seeking honest reviews, you've come to the right place. Join us as we dive deep into the realm of gadgets, gaming consoles, PCs, and more. In this video, we will be featuring the best PC case fans. The fans are basically the lungs of the PC, ensuring good airflow while keeping temperatures at safe levels. Now, while they're probably the least expensive part of the PC, they are undoubtedly a vital component that keeps your gaming rig up and running, especially during the most demanding sessions. Now, we've rounded up some of the best PC case fans in the market that'll help keep your setup cool and quiet. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. It's worth noting that the prices can change from time to time, so again, be sure to take a close look at the direct links for the updated price tags. On top of that, be sure to take a look at our landing page in the description for the complete list of all our products featured. So let's get started. The fifth PC case fan on our list is the Arctic P12 PWM PSDCO, priced at $11.98, which we have awarded a 5-badge rating. The P12 PWM PSTCO is pressure optimized, which means it's built for situations where airflow gets choked. Think heat sinks, radiators, and mesh-restricted front panels. If you're running a stacked AIO or packing a dense fin stack, this fan lives for that grind. Powered by a next-gen PWM IC and featuring Japanese dual-ball bearings, this thing is designed for continuous operation. And because it runs cooler than the average motor by about 10 degrees Celsius, Arctic claims this fan lasts up to 4 times longer than standard ones. That's not just marketing fluff. Lower temps means less wear. Simple science. This thing's motor is magnetically optimized to reduce vibration and noise. It's whisper quiet under 1,000 revolutions per minute. And because of the sinus magnetized motor tech, it doesn't have that annoying whiny pitch that some fans throw out. Installation's a breeze. Standard 120mm form factor, supports both intake and exhaust setups. Pull in cool air from the front, push out the heat up top or rear. Now, while it's whisper quiet at low to medium speeds, if you're constantly pushing it to 1,800 revolutions per minute, you'll start to hear a gentle hum. Nothing crazy, but it's there. Our team recommends this for those who are on a budget, building their first rig, or just need a reliable fan without draining their wallet. The fourth PC case fan on our list is the Noctua NF-P12 Redux 1700 PWM, priced at $27, which we have awarded a 5-badge rating. Out of the box, this thing looks clean and minimal. It's also pressure optimized with a 9-blade setup that's built to move air through tighter spaces. Pair that with a max RPM of 1,700 and this fan moves serious air, all while staying super quiet. Noise levels are honestly impressive. At idle, it's basically silent thanks to Noctua's smooth commutation drive 2 and some nerdy magic in the motor tech. Even at full blast, you're only hitting around 25 decibels. The 4-pin PWM support means this thing scales beautifully with your workload. Quiet when you're browsing, aggressive when you're gaming or rendering. Noctua's custom IC controller keeps those RPM shifts smooth and clean without that annoying fan ramp-up whine you get from cheaper options. But when it comes to lifespan, Noctua doesn't mess around. You're looking at over 150,000 hours. That's like leaving it on for 17 years straight. Noctua fans are known to outlive entire systems. The limitation, however, there virtually is none, but if I had to nitpick, the gray color might not be for everyone. Most gamers go for all black setups. Our team recommends this for builders who want a durable, maintenance-free fan. The third PC case fan on our list is the Thermaltake ToughFan 12 Turbo, priced at $29.39, which we have awarded a 5-badge rating. This is a 120mm PWM controlled fan with a speed range of 500 to 2,500 revolutions per minute. That's wild. You want performance? This fan gives you airflow up to 72.69 cubic feet per minute. which is exactly what you want for high-density radiators or serious air-cooled CPU setups. What I really like here is the build quality. The fan blades are made from liquid crystal polymer, a high tensile material that resists warping even at full blast. And they're rocking that sleek gray and black combo finish, which might not be everyone's first choice, but honestly, it looks kind of industrial and clean in the right build. The center hub is metal reinforced, adding extra durability where it counts. You also get Thermaltake's Gen 2 hydraulic bearing, which keeps things smooth, reduces friction, and helps keep noise down. And speaking of noise, the anti-vibration pads cover most of the corners, so this thing runs surprisingly quiet for something that spins this fast. One minor drawback, some users have pointed out that the screw heads are a bit small, which might make installation slightly finicky depending on your case or setup. Our team recommends this for hardcore gamers, overclockers, and anyone running a demanding setup that needs serious airflow. The second PC case fan on our list is the CORSAIR QX 120, priced at $48.99, which we have awarded a 5-badge rating. Let's start with what makes this fan so different: IQ Link. It's Corsair's single cable system that lets your components daisy chain together. Fans, coolers, everything talks to each other. The QX 120 runs from 480 to 2,400 revolutions per minute, pushing up to 63.1 cubic feet per minute of airflow and 3.8 millimeter H2O static pressure. It's PWM controlled, so you get precision and power when you need it. And when your PC is on idle, the fan enters 0 RPM mode, going completely silent during low loads. It's like it knows when to stay quiet. Each fan has 34 individually addressable RGB LEDs split across both sides, so your build looks stunning from every angle. And yes, it has time warp mode, an exclusive effect that literally freezes your fan blades mid-spin. Inside every QX 120 is a temperature sensor and microcontroller, giving your IQ software smart data to adjust cooling dynamically. Installation is smooth thanks to included bridge connectors. Just stack one fan into the next, no extra cables, no headaches. Just a heads up, you can get the most out of this fan if your whole setup runs on IQ Link. So it's ideal if you're all in on Corsair's ecosystem. Our team recommends this for PC builders who want performance and aesthetics, RGB lovers who want full control, and anyone who's tired of messy cables. The best PC case fan on our list is the Noctua NF-A12x25 PWM Chromax, priced at $49.55, which we have awarded a 5-badge rating. This is Noctua's flagship 120mm fan, with 150,000-hour mean time to failure and a massive reputation in the PC cooling world. With 4-pin PWM support, speeds range from a whisper-quiet 450 to a powerful 2,000 revolutions per minute. Pushing strong airflow with almost no noise, just 22.6 decibels at full speed. At idle, it's almost silent. Under load, it still runs cooler and quieter than most fans on the market. The blades are made from Sterox liquid crystal polymer, a material that's insanely strong and vibration dampening. Combined with a metal reinforced hub and SSO2 bearing, this fan is definitely well built. It also features an ultra-tight 0.5mm tip clearance, meaning the blades sit crazy close to the frame. That reduces air leakage and improves performance on radiators, heat sinks, or anywhere static pressure matters. This Chromax Model Edition includes 7 color options for the anti-vibration pads. It's a rare combo, ultra-high-end cooling with full color control and a stealth black look. The only drawback is that it's expensive, but if silence, reliability, and performance matter to you, it's worth the investment. Our team recommends this for those who care about top-tier thermal performance and near-silent operation. And there you have it, folks. The best PC case fans. If you like this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button if you have a question or a product you want us to review. Be sure to drop your recommendations in the comments below. Until next time, this is Ryan signing off, reminding you to stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our tech rums great.